Want stronger legs even at 90? Eat this every day to rebuild your muscles. As we age, the muscles in our legs don't just help us stand or walk, they act as a biological engine that supports balance, circulation, and even brain health. In fact, studies show that seniors with stronger leg muscles have a significantly lower risk of cognitive decline because leg strength helps maintain blood flow to the brain and supports healthier neural pathways. Yet despite how critical this is, most Americans over 60 barely think about their legs until the warning signs start creeping in: difficulty climbing stairs, slower walking speed, sudden fatigue, or that frightening moment when simply getting out of a chair feels unstable. The reality is sobering. Nearly 1 in 4 American seniors experience mobility limitations, and lower body weakness is a leading cause of fall-related ER visits each year. But the good news is that rebuilding leg muscles at any age, even past 90, becomes dramatically easier once you know exactly what to fuel your body with, and if you've been noticing any of these signs yourself, I'm here to share clear, science-backed guidance, summarizing the key daily foods that help rebuild leg strength naturally, safely, and effectively. Before we dive into the very first food, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below and tell me how old you are and where you're from. Because I genuinely care about our senior community at EverAlive. 1. Edamame. Most people don't know this, but edamame has one of the rarest amino acid profiles among everyday foods. Its leucine content is so concentrated that it works almost like a biological switch for older adults whose leg muscles have started to sleep. And if you're over 50, you've probably felt those first warning signs. Standing up from a low couch requires a small push with your hands. Walking upstairs makes your thighs feel heavy. And after sitting too long, your legs tighten instead of responding smoothly. Those are classic signs of anabolic resistance, where aging muscle ignores normal protein. But edamame delivers a punch strong enough to break through that resistance because the leucine inside it directly activates the mTOR pathway. The pathway responsible for rebuilding torn fibers in your quads and calves. According to the USDA, 1 cup of cooked edamame carries roughly 29 grams of high-quality protein, unusually high for a plant food and strong enough to trigger synthesis in aging muscle cells that normally need more stimulation. Another thing older Americans rarely hear is how edamame's natural isoflavones protect the mitochondria inside leg muscle cells, those tiny engines that often stall with age, showing up as shaky legs getting out of bed or losing stability during short walks. And because many people over 60 unknowingly deal with low circulation to the lower limbs, the magnesium in edamame helps improve blood flow, making your steps feel lighter. That's exactly why one small, practical tip can multiply edamame's effect almost instantly. If you heat edamame in the microwave for 90 seconds with a squeeze of lemon juice, you preserve most of its leucine while giving your leg tendons a collagen boost from the vitamin C, something older adults desperately need when the knees begin to make subtle clicking sounds. And if you eat it within 30 minutes after your morning stretch, the absorption rate is noticeably better, because your circulation hasn't slowed down yet. Edamame may be simple, but for aging legs, it works as fast as flipping a light switch back on. 2. Sardines. Sardines are one of the few foods in an American grocery store where the bones, skin, and flesh all work together like a muscle support system made by nature itself. What makes sardines astonishing is the extremely high concentration of EPA and DHA, the specific omega-3s that older leg muscles respond to. And you can actually feel the difference: stiff ankles in the morning, knees that crack louder each year, or that slow, dragging walk after sitting too long. Those are not just aging problems, they are inflammation signals inside the muscle fibers and the joints that support them. Sardines counter this inflammation so effectively because omega-3s help old muscle cell membranes regain flexibility, meaning the muscle contracts more smoothly, with less stiffness. A report from the National Institutes of Health found that older adults with high omega-3 intake maintained better leg press strength measured in kilograms, showing real, mechanical improvement rather than vague wellness claims. But what truly separates sardines from fatty fish like salmon or mackerel is how digestible they are for people over 60. Many older Americans don't realize their stomach acid weakens with age, making heavy fish harder to digest and limiting protein absorption. Sardines, being smaller and lower on the food chain, break down faster, so the amino acids reach the leg muscles more efficiently. This is exactly why adding half a can of sardines to a slice of whole grain toast, a common American breakfast, can relieve that stiff leg feeling before lunch. If you warm the sardines for 20 seconds in the microwave, not longer, or you reduce omega-3 activity, the natural oils spread more evenly and your body absorbs the EPA faster, something you feel when your knees stop locking up during your first steps. And because sardines contain natural vitamin D and calcium, those microbones you feel in the can actually support the tibia and femur, critical for older adults who feel a shaky sensation when stepping off a curb. Sardines don't care if you're 60 or 90, they keep your legs moving like they're still paying bills on time. 3. EGGS. Most people over 50 don't realize that the biggest problem isn't weak muscles, it's that the muscles stop reacting to normal protein. That's why scrambled eggs feel more energizing than a protein shake. Eggs contain the highest biological value protein found in whole food, meaning the body uses almost every gram without waste. If your legs feel wobbly when you stand too quickly, or if your thighs burn faster during short walks than they used to, that's your body telling you it's not absorbing or rebuilding efficiently anymore. Eggs fix that because they deliver all 9 essential amino acids in exactly the right ratios for human muscle, and the American Egg Board confirms that each egg contains 6 grams of high-quality, easily absorbed protein, the kind older muscle tissues actually respond to without needing huge portions. But there's another advantage older Americans almost never hear about. Eggs contain natural choline, a nutrient that strengthens the nerve-to-muscle communication responsible for balance. If you've ever felt like your steps land slightly off, or your legs hesitate before responding, that's a neuromuscular signal delay. Choline shortens that delay. It's one of the reasons many older adults feel more stable within an hour after eating eggs. You can amplify this effect with one simple tip. If you cook your eggs soft-boiled for 6 minutes, the protein structure remains intact, making absorption easier for aging digestive systems, and sprinkling 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper activates better antioxidant uptake, something you'll appreciate if your quads feel heavy after climbing a single flight of stairs. Many foods claim to boost strength, but eggs deliver strength you can feel immediately, right in your legs. For oatmeal isn't glamorous, but it offers something older adults desperately need: steady, predictable energy for the muscles in the legs. When your calves tighten unexpectedly, when your thighs feel heavy around 2 p.m., or when short walks drain you faster than they should, that's usually irregular blood sugar affecting muscle endurance. Oatmeal solves this with its unique beta-glucan fiber that releases glucose slowly and steadily. The Harvard School of Public Health notes that oat intake is associated with measurably lower CRP levels, which is important because elevated CRP often shows up in real life as swollen ankles or legs that fatigue quickly after light activity. Another overlooked strength of oatmeal is its natural manganese content, essential for converting carbohydrates into usable energy within the mitochondria. Older adult muscles often fail not because they're weak but because they run out of fuel too quickly. And this is exactly where one extremely simple tip can make mornings dramatically easier. If you cook your oatmeal with skim milk instead of water for 3 minutes, you instantly add a protein-energy combination that older legs recognize and respond to. Americans often add too much sugar, but just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds mixed in creates a gel-like texture that slows digestion even further, giving your legs a more stable stamina curve throughout the day. You'll especially notice the difference when standing from long car rides or walking through grocery store aisles without the familiar heavy leg slump. Oatmeal doesn't shout, but your legs definitely feel its presence. 5. Peanut butter. There's a reason so many older Americans keep a jar of peanut butter in their pantry without realizing they're sitting on one of the most efficient muscle repair foods available. Peanut butter is unusually dense, calorie-dense, protein-dense, and fat-dense in a way that aging leg muscles desperately need. Because after 50, one of the biggest hidden problems is that your legs simply don't get enough fuel to rebuild. You know this feeling: your thighs tremble after carrying groceries, your calves tighten halfway through a walk you used to finish easily, or your knees feel empty, like they're missing strength from the inside. That hollow leg sensation is often a sign of low energy reserves inside muscle fibers. But peanut butter delivers concentrated monounsaturated fats that older muscles burn steadily rather than quickly, which stabilizes strength instead of giving a short burst. The Cleveland Clinic reports that nuts and nut butters are linked with higher lean dash, meaning, the reason peanut butter works so well is that its natural fats slow digestion, giving your legs a slow, steady release of usable energy. That means fewer shaky steps in the morning and less leg fatigue during afternoon errands. And something most older Americans don't know is that peanut butter also contains arginine, which helps open up blood vessels, crucial for anyone who feels their legs get cold more easily with age. A sign of reduced circulation. To make it even more powerful, you can use a simple tip: spread 1 tablespoon of peanut butter on a slice of whole grain toast within 20 minutes, after light movements such as making your bed or walking to the mailbox. That moment, when the legs are warm but not tired, is exactly when the muscles pull in the amino acids most efficiently. And if you stir in half a teaspoon of cinnamon into the peanut butter before spreading it, you reduce the blood sugar spikes that can zap leg stamina later in the day. Peanut butter might seem ordinary, but for older legs, it's a powerhouse waiting to be used correctly. 6. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese has something that almost no other everyday food offers: a naturally slow-release protein known as casein, which feeds your muscles while you sleep. And if you're over 60, you already know nighttime is when the legs lose the most strength. You can feel it in the morning: tight hamstrings, stiff calves, knees that refuse to bend smoothly, or that first shaky step getting out of bed. Those sensations are early signs that your muscles broke down during the night because they had no amino acids to protect them. Cottage cheese solves that in a direct, powerful way. Casein digests so slowly that it keeps your leg muscles supplied for hours, even during deep sleep. The American Dairy Association highlights that a typical serving of cottage cheese contains around 24 grams of casein-rich protein, ideal for preserving muscle while the body is at rest. Another overlooked benefit is that cottage cheese contains natural tryptophan, which helps older adults fall asleep faster. And that's important because poor sleep is one of the biggest contributors to leg weakness. You simply can't repair muscle tissue if you're lying awake staring at the ceiling. The calcium in cottage cheese also plays a surprising role. It stabilizes nerve signaling, helping your leg muscles relax instead of cramping at night. If you've ever been jolted awake by a calf cramp, you know exactly how valuable that is. To make cottage cheese even more effective, try a simple evening tip: mix 4 tablespoons of cottage cheese with 5 blueberries roughly an hour before bed. That tiny amount of berry fiber slows the protein release even further, giving your legs a smoother recovery window. And because many Americans prefer warm nighttime snacks, you can microwave the cottage cheese for 12 seconds, just enough to take off the chill without altering the protein structure. You'll notice the difference the next morning when your legs feel ready instead of reluctant. 7. Beans. Lentils. Beans and lentils are often underestimated, yet they offer one of the most reliable muscle rebuilding patterns for older Americans, because of their unique combination of plant protein, iron, folate, and slow-digesting carbs. They work together almost like a maintenance crew, repairing muscle fibers from the inside out. And if you've noticed your legs tiring after only a few blocks, or your quads burning faster during simple household chores, that's often a fuel utilization issue, not enough oxygen reaching the muscle tissue. Beans and lentils fix this because their natural iron content helps red blood cells deliver oxygen more efficiently. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics notes that legumes are associated with improved muscular endurance in older adults thanks to their balanced amino acid profile plus iron support working together. What makes beans and lentils particularly powerful for leg strength is that they release energy slowly, keeping your legs stable through the entire day instead of crashing in the afternoon. Many older adults feel that midday leg slump, heaviness around the knees, slight wobbling after standing up, or calves that tighten during short walks. Legumes counter this with fiber that balances blood sugar and protein that rebuilds muscle simultaneously. But here's something even more valuable: lentils contain natural polyphenol that reduce oxidative stress inside aging muscle cells, something meat-only diets can't offer. To enhance this effect, use a simple tip deeply rooted in American cooking habits: add 1/3 cup of canned beans to a warm soup or chili during heating. The heat breaks down the outer skin, making the protein easier for older digestion systems to absorb, especially if stomach acid has decreased with age. And if you rinse canned beans for 10 seconds before using them, you remove excess sodium that can cause leg swelling, another common issue Americans over 70 silently tolerate. Beans and lentils aren't flashy, but they build leg strength in a predictable, almost clockwork way, something older adults need more than quick fixes. If this video has helped you even a little, make sure you subscribe, like, and especially share it with someone you care about, because weak legs after 60 can take away independence faster than most people realize. And if there's any topic you want me to cover next, just leave a comment below so I can bring exactly what you need. Now, to wrap things up, all these foods point to one simple truth: you either feed your legs or you slowly lose them. Ignoring muscle loss after 50 leads to slower walking, painful stairs, and eventually the terrifying moment when getting up from a chair becomes a struggle you never expected. So don't wait until that day arrives. And before you go, let me ask you this: are you sure you're not missing an even bigger threat to your strength? While waiting for the next video, watch the one I've placed on your screen so you can protect your health starting today.